in the world. And today I'm going to speak about this challenge in SDGs. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude and would like to thank organizing committee of second FES Business Forum for providing me this opportunity to represent my country, Nepal, and separating time for me to share something in this forum. I'm also glad to see so many of our friends from Africa and Asia present here today. Honorable President of this peace, Excellencies, distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, and all the participants, very warm greetings and good afternoon from Nepal. I, Hari Dhungana, representing International Foundation for Nature Care, INFC, is here speaking about the current pandemic, its impact and challenges for achieving sustainable development goal. COVID-19 outbreak from Wuhan, China, has now become the worldwide serious concern. This pandemic crisis has challenged every national government, international community. When world leaders adopt the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development in 2015, post-Millennium Development Goal, they committed to a shared vision to set the world on a sustainable path for people's planet, peace, partnership, and prosperity. We all are aware about Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, consisting 17 goals to be achieved in 2030, but due to the pandemic, reaching to target seems impossible in a way or other. According to the recent article published in Lancet, COVID-19 threatens to reserve the progress of SDGs 3, which aim to ensure healthy lives and well-being for all. During the crisis, 70 countries have halted childhood vaccination program, and in many places, health service for cancer screening, family planning, or non-COVID-19 infectious diseases have been interrupted or are being neglected. Health service disruption could reserve decades of improvement, warns the report. Even before COVID-19, the world was losing track to end poverty by 2030 under SDG. It was projected that 6% of the global population would still be living in extreme poverty in 2030, but now an estimated 71 million additional people could be living in extreme poverty due to COVID-19. Likewise, the most susceptible groups are being hit hardest by the pandemic, threatening SDG 10. Most of the world's children have been deprived of formal education since the COVID-19 outbreak, hindering goal 4 of SDG. Access to water and sanitation, SDG 6, remain a major concern where 2.2 billion people remain without safe drinking water, and the COVID-19 crisis has highlighted lack of access to sanitation for billions, which is indirectly linked with the extreme rise of COVID-19 cases, as hand washing, hand sanitizing was one key to prevent it. As according to UNDP prior pandemic, the world was struggling to meet the goal toward environmental sustainability encompassed by SDGs 7 to 9 and 11 to 15. Most countries are not meeting their commitments to limit greenhouse gas emissions. We are in danger of missing target to improve urban environment by reducing the number of people living in slum, increasing access to public transport, and reducing air pollution. Only pro we could point out during extensive lockdown due to pandemic was Earth could breathe the fresh air. These all has been exactly the same scenario for Nepal as well. The problem of poverty, sanitation, discontinued education, and all environmental aspects are in replicable situation. As a non-government organization working for addressing various environmental aspects, and we look forward for the program which could contribute something to the nature and also address SDGs. We have been working in local level of Nepal for proper waste management and biomedical plantation, which can play indefinable role for contributing to minimize climate change, pollution, and enhance greenery. So, in this aspect, I can say with all my experience that reaching SDGs impossible without proper national and international cooperation. The political tensions fueled by COVID-19 and the current global issue like border dispute and international tensions could threaten SDGs 16 to promote peace and safety from violence, and SDGs 17 to strengthen international partnership. So, from this forum, I would like to express myself that let's get united and see the need of SDGs. Define the world we want they apply to all nations and mean quite simply to assure that no one left behind, which has become more challenging to reach post-pandemic. Let us go hand in hand together and make our planet live alive and spread equality and justice all over. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you for highlighting that nearly 90% of children have been displaced, that haven't gone to school because of the COVID, right? And maybe more than 1.25 billion students are affected, okay?